Alright guys, what's up? I am your host Jeremy from Weldtec Designs, and we are checking out a van today. Check out this awesome Ford Econoline, and this is actually like a Sportsmobile build out. You can see that this thing has a pop top and a awesome awning up here as well. This is our friend Torpey's van, and if you don't know what I'm talking about, I'll put a link to his other van that we did a walkthrough on it as well at SFOA. Yeah, see Austin, see I still got Austin here to help me. But what is cool about this, guys, this is a two-wheel drive van. This is our Baja Grocery Getter kit. You guys know it, you love it, you want to see more of it. So instead of me walking you through it and having Austin, I'm gonna jump down here and get underneath here, and you guys can check this thing out. So it's got our bent beams, our radius arms, it has our coils and our Fox shocks. You can see we've also added our steering stabilizer to it as Austin's yelling at me in the background. So you can see we've got a front hitch on this thing, which is also pretty cool. This van is just awesome. So the only thing I'm not digging is the wheels, but you know, we'll give them crap about these. It's only because they're not methods, you know. Look at that, the American racing wheel, it's already lost its little badge on there. But running a 285/70/17 on there, which is really nice. And you can see on here, one of the big things is if you're going to be doing this kit yourself, you will run into some things like this additional cooler right here that you may have to move in order to put the radius arm brackets on, and then you can relocate it back up in there. But on this Ford Sportsmobile, you can see that it all goes on there really nice. There's those awesome extended radius arms, and this thing is just amazing. And I think my other second favorite thing are these awesome what this does is each one of these right here adds 6 horsepower to the vehicle by running these on there. So you can see that these are fuel savers. So not only do they save you fuel, but 6 horsepower per bracket. So 1, 2, 3, 14 per side. So you guys do the math. That added a ton of horsepower to the back of this thing. So, and as we go into the back of this, you're gonna see that it has that awesome aux locker that I'm not really a fan of, but we put in here. So we put a locker in the rear of this, and then this is also going to have our big leaf spring pack. This is a 7-leaf pack in here to be able to hold the weight of the rear of this, as well as we added in a luminous rear spare tire carrier on the back. It's got the ladder that goes up to nowhere, which is cool. But you know what you guys all want to see? Let's go check out the inside. This is where all the magic happens, right? So it's got the couch up here in the front, which is going to sleep one person. And as we jump in here, I want to welcome you guys into the kitchen right now. So microwave, cooktop right there, cooktop right there, which is awesome. Then you're going to have your sink and then storage right there in the back. On this side, we're going to have our refrigerator. And then I don't know, let's see, what is that? More pantry. And there's your bathroom mirror, so when you're doing your makeup, you know, you can see how good you look. And then, like we said, this does have the pop top in there, so that's going to be really cool. So definitely we'll be able to sleep 2 adults up in there. This thing is so clean. I love it. So very cool Sportsmobile build out in the inside of this. And there's your button for your electric top to go up. It's got the own-in generator start in here. So very cool. So if you have a Sportsmobile and you're wanting to get more ground clearance, wanting to lift it up to be able to get to that off-grid camping, this is definitely a good way to do, and a lot more inexpensive than doing a 4-wheel drive. So very cool on the inside of this. If I missed anything, comment below. I'm sure we're going to be hanging out with Torpey more. We're planning on doing a Mojave Trail trip, so if any of you guys are interested on doing a Mojave Trail run, we'd like to do that coming up here in the next month or so. So comment below, let us know what you think. What's your favorite part about this van? That's it. That's all I got for you. All right. Hope you guys enjoy this little walkthrough, and we'll see you guys on the next van build.